Me pacho good morning.
Let's
Me pacho me ho ye pan also.
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank God for life. God is keeping us, so we're good. We're good.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Now me I want for number.
Malaria reaction on my child. We had to take him to the hospital.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was that strong, but he was taken for granted, and now it's crazy. But he'll be okay, because a lot of injections, went on this morning, so he'll be good. He'll be good. Yeah, we nearly canceled, but I'm like, no way, we have to be here.
Oh, you mean Shanka more cancel?
Yeah, we nearly because
no one fan.
Yes.
And you need to be there for him.
No choice. But I'm happy. He's good. He's good.
And
he's listening right now.
He's listening. All right. Yeah. And he will show speedy recovery.
Mm-hmm.
Andrew, you will show speedy recovery.
Yes.
Oh. I can also want to know WOHO. Why are they so disappointed?
And easy. So did you grow? Okay, we on tea. Now, so then. Now, so you're doing too much. A bar, like he thinks a normal thing.
Malaria, dear.
No, we on field because he thinks he's strong. But this time around, it was crazy. He was really shivering like crazy, so we had to rush him to the hospital. He got the drips, 4 injections, and they brought him back this morning. Yeah. This morning he was fit. So he's with me up, but he's weak. Yeah, but he's getting better. Maybe he's getting better.
Anyway, we are sending our prayers to him. But then sending area.
One time.
Yeah. This is your new song.
Yeah, something must happen. Yeah, self-employed. Yeah, you be a car. And to who no muna, wow, dear. Tikoko, you see, can I tell them coco? That let's let them say column. It's a muddy bulldozer, so I am say. Straight. Straight.
What is the motivation behind this song?
Okay, you see, if you realize this is one of the songs that we've really promoted it. A lot of billboards in town.
Yes.
People saw billboard like something must happen. And we've shot one of the most expensive and the most talked about video right now. Not because of anything, but we really want this song to really inspire the youths, because when you are in our space, you realize the youth, they are giving up. Like, somebody will even ask you for just 100 cedis to start something. And you end up giving them 500 cedis. They come back, they be like, the 500 couldn't even do anything. So we realized that, okay, you see, success, sometimes people think that is, you start something and I will be successful. No. You need to start from the mind. Okay, what do you want to become? So people start business with nothing. You need to motivate yourself. Okay, so if you listen to this song closely, we're trying to tell everybody that, listen, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing is to motivate yourself that, hey, something will happen, no matter what. Something beautiful will happen to me. Immediately you say these things to yourself. Words are very powerful, but some people don't even know how to inspire themselves before they go out there. They want somebody to be in their shoes and help them, and that's what is really killing a lot of youth, making them do things. Yes, because self-motivate a key. You need to motivate yourself. I wake up, brother, go work, come. Something will happen today. Don't worry, bro. It will happen. And when you tell yourself that, then as you're going in your mind, you've won already, and you become a winner. So we want this song to really get to them. Believe in your start anything. Even if you get 2 Ghana cedi a day, tell somebody within 10 years, you go see me, you go shock, and you go happen. So that's the motive behind the song.
Oh wow, this is beautiful. If you get 2 Ghana cedi a day now, we'll save 1 hour and then.
Okay, we came from a hood or a street where I need to sleep in the kiosk for like 4 years. The same time going to studio, the same time I have my clothes and everything in the kiosk in Tema, Community 1, Site 1. Then I dress fine. I go on Adwuma FM for Kasahari, and people see me be like, I get money. Charlie, you low, Shanghai high serious. Sometimes you go on the port side, you don't have, no one is there. You can't even talk to anybody. But you know, Sana, Charlie, bro, man, 2 cedi and fine way, and the 2 cedi, we have 20 Ghana. You have 80 the akota 39 cedi. Near you see, I did the sister fear now. You don't fear akoto. I did chani ashe. The mindset of what we want is what brought us here. Into what dream, what are you telling yourself? Me, I always tell people that if you want to be successful or you want to be great, start in your mind. Be great in and you see that person the next 5-6 years because this guy and anyone wants to say we make it because
they're forceful.
Exactly. Only should say me I go make him. You understand? So don't see yourself so you are making some 10 Ghana or 5 Ghana so want to use that kind of thing. But a best shock will say that money somebody is making that money minimum be a man or just 250 cedis or they started on tissues. So we now tissue now our box 250 cedis so me the man not traffic him. Motorway so I give the person 250 as I'm talking to you or driving Uber.
Wow.
Yeah, that's 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah, someone also would say, me must 250 or started tissue or Tomakumako 7 and or the 4 man down for. And now for non turn on fan for son on some fan to us. I let me who be not on plantain chips. No, say, bro, Charlie, I graduate too. Who me person chambi. And I remember me who were a washing baby war East Legon side. No wash a car. And I'm saying, bro, no so bro. Now the tissue I give my girl boy the sell. I mean to have the hustle for here.
Wow.
Until onunya 30 for her, the 50 bar, not their boom. To start to save I mean, person about bank needing or the course for like a year. The bank or catch a bank so or driving a bank man loan for Uber. You say 2 Ubers. I would send a canary. I mean, you see, the Uber belong to him. Because me chaboni who comes say boss no autumn PK. I say boss me who am motivating me who because me team must boss me make you chaboni them say what you know so no person ton tissue them say he no say 200 man 250 and now anytime I see him I'm happy. So start from the mind and it's possible something must happen to you straight.
Nana me kind of pan say make good use of your little.
I was listening.
Now it's your one.
Yeah.
Kakrebia benye bia no. No matter how little it is.
I heard it.
Mindset no.
What's now Adam for be crowd no only if you na attire no more yes. No be say address no.
So be say address no. And back in school na o say your school na ebi mo parent ni ska. Into mo uniform year 1. You mo be near obe 3 ni ade. Me see girl na uniform 1 and socks 1 no.
Obetro.
Oba school a Friday ko sha white socks.
She.
Say the was ya iron na tade no. That's
the mindset everybody need in life. But so, you didn't you buy a video no buy no big say you make be am person me boss at wallet or frame your phone so yo bro your song I hope say the street will take come the way for take come be big song the video mad this be what me I tell my body you see every day I tell my people something go happen make no fear it go happen go see what go happen for the industry go happen and finally it's happening. So you need to understand yourself first. Friday, audience no be a Friday. You be there going and say, "Oh, cause you white shoe." But not dream, no dream, and that's it.
Different mindset, But don't even say a woman says something must happen. Oh, sorry, no pa. You tell yourself that something must happen. But if the thing doesn't happen, I only saw bamboo.
Bamboo.
Into you be there, you need to be a working man.
That's a mistake. Into that's what Philly, you are here today. You need to always motivate. I was very impressed what I was listening to you. Say, make use of your little. I was like, yo, because I love things like that. Because me feel streets no so no. Why shipper? People need some motivational words. Let them understand. Failure is part of the process. You need to fail. Most successful people in life are those who made the most failures. You need to fail and fail and say, hey, chala, fail. But here we go again. Check the best players in the world. LeBron James. We boon ni ankle we boo more than 1,000. But now he's the best. We make a record to be a micro basketball. Ronaldo will be not on my message, Charlie. But I am foul. But today look. I won't say you need to be in that position. I won't say, Charlie, my pimp. That's when if you don't give up, you understand that here makes sense a lot. So I love your motivational message. It's good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And okay, say oh start BB na say I think say the man ko forgive you happiness say they forget why they started.
Exactly.
The moment say we be feeding tell share no. You don't know why I'm going on. I didn't think I met us because you've forgotten why you even woke up. I think people should always remember why they started.
Exactly.
Yeah, they be an ebeko year amount.
No.
You were 7 days in a week. Okay, 7 days in and be nice.
No. Nyame ambo as no sao.
It doesn't work like that.
David.
But what they say, oh, shall see a Monday na Kuya mana say, oh, okay, in a week and I say no cry. But a Monday and Kuya mana say, oh, sorry, Tuesday, and one Kuya, and a different day.
Exactly.
You make a difference.
Exactly. Meaning, big shouts to Nero or Nima. Big shouts to you. A frame last 2 weeks. No catch him say, Madam Fubi, there can be changed, Charlie, bro. The way things they go there, bro. Me, I want enter street to go kwashi and things.
Oh.
No, can't say no. A friend must say, bro, this is what my guy be tell me. So what you tell him? I know business saying to you, I'm kwa kwashi see and I say, ya chi omni be you kuma na bibia then obeka.
Yes, sir.
Let me say, bro. The funny thing be say, you see the kwashi thing, you go feel kwashi, but ask yourself, those that do kwashi, what they be able to make for themselves? Nothing. But when you do the right way, it will happen. You know what? Give me your mobile money. Or don't send 1,000 cedis. When I'm sending 1,000 cedis, no, 2 months ago, every morning or throw coats. And mommy, why? Because or this asking yanko far force a wakanta. And or catch me just 2 months. Sika always is here. I don't want to be sending me credit 200. I'm saying, why? One of them boss, I will get a credit. I'm saying, hey. So you won't show me saying that you get money. Eh? I was so impressed. I was so happy to me. It's part of the process. But Bible cracker say it's not how many times you fall. So you say sorry.
Yes.
That's the main key. Don't just see Felicia or see Keche and think say we just wake up and we are here. We've been through phases of life. Believe in yourself that something will happen to you. It's possible it will happen.
It's possible. One failure crowd any year. You need to fail to tell a story.
Exactly.
Oh, sorry, I'll say my story. My successful. It doesn't work like that.
No. It doesn't. Yeah. It doesn't at all. We have to be in the studio for 5 years to record one song. So
which song was that?
Hey, Omo give me. Now your love don't capture me. I don't wonder why.
5 years.
Yeah. We were in the studio 5 years before we recorded that song.
I didn't hear.
Yeah, because Kewa was grooming us. We weren't strong enough to come out. And a lot of guys came in the studio, but went to me and said, because we were like studio boys. You know, stars in the bar around, almost smiling. Kokoto bra. I remember there was a time Sakode came there. We started as a Kasahari boys, but he came out first and he blew. Kewa boys. I was so happy that Sakode asked me. You understand? Today, me cocky was still in I remember now Mr. Dream out in your call, we're stars. And now, your boy, Mr. Drew, bosses. I'm like, yo, Mr. Drew, your humility, you go break. Keep it up. And now look at Mr. Drew. Almost on a more care or one now. I'm here to know who are star. They are still underground. People don't know that humility pays more than hard work. I always say this. When your humility is taking you somewhere, hard work will be behind it. Be like, yo, this is humility. Most of the things I've gotten in life, I don't want to mention name. I don't like coming out and telling people I've never wore anything fake before. All this you see, they are jewelries.
Chaining in a...
Oh yeah, of course.
Original gold.
Original. If you have tested, you can try.
Okay.
So everything I get, people that are giving it to me because Charlie, oh, boy, you're humble. With my fame, you see me on the street, and when I'm talking to even boys, you be like, you be Keche with the see. People they see me and they doubt, because I believe that when you are coming from the slum, that no one is there to support you, humility will bring you here, and he will make you sober. So I always tell people, stay humble because it pays very well.
Humility pays more than hard
work. Straight.
There'll be the Adwuma and there'll be the humility between.
And yeah, it's not about say men ye Adwuma.
Okay.
Yes, but we Adwuma now brown here, you get more support than doing it and feel like I've arrived. No.
Men here will be a more me.
Exactly. God doesn't even like that.
How did you feel when your first one blew here?
Pressure. I remember we went to Liberia and it was #1 in Liberia, too big. Many Andrew Koche hotel near soon.
Oh.
Yeah, we cried. It was like huge. Like big to a extent. And now, presidents of Kape so you want to know the people behind the song.
And then they're huge.
Yeah, you know, President Koyeko have dinner, Bomu. And I remember this girl, Chantel, was there. David Mill was there. It was a peace concert. And that's when they gave us a Global Ambassador Award. Said they want us to be the voice. Now, Yumi is too big to extend that. You do Chromo or no. There was a radio station called Hot FM. your interview, you appear in the paya about woman.
Yeah,
but the thing is, that time now we still have the video, but that time now Facebook and Kwana social media loud. I'm talking about 2009. Well, not Facebook, and now Instagram and you're loud to say. And from Morovia, from Onua airport, now were outskirts. If you about 500 motorcycles, no mudi. It was the feeling was crazy. It was mad. Now, Ghana crab Charlie Obiambu. You don't even know who you are. Now you went to Liberia and you are the most talked about. It was crazy. Miss Susame, when I was performing on the Miss stage. Yeah, like the president, Miss Helen Johnson also. She can sing the song from A to Z.
Pressure.
Yeah, pressure was too big in Liberia.
And it's not trendy chair.
Yes. Up to now, drop a pressure as a new song.
You never drop it. This
one is 30 years of Felicia. I'm picky. Yeah. I chose 13 years.
And they say they're kaipa.
No, some way consumers. We are just doing the things. We're not consuming. So, what's your support saying? And you love it more than us. Yeah, the bar, you have to love it. You know, so.
Don't you dance kai?
Oh, bar me picky lines in one.
I don't want to now say what to.
A bed, but oh, bar be picky. Yeah, me picky. It's been 13 years now. 2010.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this song started blowing in Ghana. Hey, this song, mad. I remember there was a show you called Trade Fair. That was the first time I mean who said crowd air responded to your song. So that time I remember Wale came on stage, Sakura came on stage, VIP came on stage, and we came as an underground artist. And Keche President MC said, "Oh, boss, Pacho, your friend Keche, you want you for Nkofope." I said, "Nyumbe, moya de mon tournament in front of the crowd. We can't even sing." We're like, "Oh, so Shoni na we." And the guy gave us the platform, and you drop your pressure. Hey, and people were shocked, like, "Hey, what's happening?" Like everyone, they started coming, singing pressure, and that's it. Became a big hit, and pressure has really like on pressure needed to coin. That's our first song, Breaking Africa. It was too big. Calabar Festival, Radio France International. You should be what Benin, Daniho, we were there. Togo, Benin, Ivory Coast, Tanzania. It was huge. Pressure. We made your first $5,000 show.
Pressure. Anyway.
Yeah. That time, I'm in boyfriend or boy.
No,
I wasn't. I'm like, 5,000. 7 okay. 5,000 Ghana. I know so. Okachenko say 5,000. Manji and you.
Unya call no.
Yeah, the guy told us that please, we can give you guys $5,000.
And the money on my bag in the crowd.
No. They called us on like 5,000. So I told Andrew, we money the guy they mentioned. So please, I know it's not enough, but it's a charity concert. I'm like, what? $5,000. Yeah, you know, good, but if so, then you go fly 5 people. No problem. Thank you so much. Please, how do we send the money? So at a mini bank account. The story. Excited. We've been there.
And now I'm so
5,000 about 2 say column. I was sure. I'm like, yo, Andrew, we have $5,000, man. Forget everybody.
And I'm gonna fly, yeah.
I remember that, yeah. That's our first time to in a flight, like me full plane for the first time.
Wow.
Went to Liberia. After Liberia, Sierra Leone. Yeah, the 1 week you caught 3 countries. Not knowing I hate Liberia and Sierra Leone, I hate it. Tanzania, I hate it. It was that huge. Sure, 5,000.
And then a pressure song go.
Yeah, $5,000, $4,000, and $8,000 in Tanzania. It was huge.
And then why with them by
Sure.
We are there's
That's we are seeing a media. Just so I guess, yeah, that's the first time I could like store.
And
I make a say, Charlie, these t-shirts, I want different type, like 4.
Hey.
These jeans, I want this. My toe shoes 7 straight, like sneakers. 7.
Instantly.
Still not got money, you know. Yeah.
Or drop a pressure na mouse, huge mileage, you know. Did you feel pressured? Say, next song it should be a hit.
Felicia, let me tell you something. We're well groomed by Kewa, highly spiritual, and Castro the Destroyer. Like, they really groomed us. Intimina minim say your next song will be Massacre. Your next time you go show do Volta Region Hopefully. Yeah, bano. Na ya da or Land Cruiser, na ya da. Minyana Mr. Manager say where can you so the signboard we did there. No much SOKKODE. That's Sokode. And the beat was playing in the car and the film would die. I was playing with the song. You do Sokode, Sokode. I was just joking with the song, not knowing my manager was recording it.
Signboard na ya chow.
Yeah, Sokode. No, that's where the new Sokode idea came from.
And yes, I said that.
No, not at all. That song that Mekasi Obi said that song Yan Jin Sokode Yan Jin. We just did it because the signboard. We didn't even the name was Sokode. We thought it was Sokode because the spelling. And your boss still say, Charlie, boss, the thing if I thought Sokode, they hit on the beat. You were studio straight. It's a big hit.
And yes, you were studio, boy.
Was mad. This song was mad. And you when I saw for be sorry, Kumade say, and you yakoji unsiase. Na after we hit tibium. So that time, sa kasana about that time you will studio record alugun to go.
Hey,
now we're doing alugun to go that very day. I'm see, and it was mad.
Yankotia some bra.
Keche. We are looking to green. Medasi. We are looking to hey, who did you know? Nice sugar looking. Oh, who this guy not like him? Did you like him? Oh, nasty. We are looking to green. We are looking to green. Oh, who fresh brand one pity? Or do clown has just started? This boy is fresh. If I catch him, man, oh, nasty. We are looking to green. Yeah, the police say yo. Don't stop, boy. Where the Asi Kumasi Kuku, Nana, you can do the Nasa. On what about you? With them targets here, not your bride, you're afraid of factory. But don't come, but don't compare to a Sarko's Zungu. A renting Cassibia, you got Empire for Ethiopia. Near Chigels, good to green. Let me say this. When you rent a car, CBA, you call Empire for Ethiopia, near Chigel CBA, and you are see the Salugun to green. That was the main thing. This wasn't in the beginning. No, yeah. Who gave you no posy? Nine she will look. Who this girl they like him? They be like him. Oh, now say sa. Na green be account.
Na green thing.
Me rap no mean it will tell me say you rent a car CBA. Nti me can you rent a car CBA. You call Empire Foresight Ethiopia. Near Chigel CBA. And we are see the salu going to green. No manager say Charlie. That green make like. It be you. And you him. Say this space na we nim was sa no. O de yemfa green be so nti e ka sa na ye twa sa alugun to green na rap no be sure sa we dey alugun to green. Nti wow omo de say wow na me say hey me da say. Nti me da say me ka keke o. Na you say Charlie de me da say I record am we do on the beat well. Okay, then let me position that one two for the front there. So the be me can say me say alugun to green. The whole concept is based on approach. But mkofo pay attention say green and one they blow here. People will listen to a song, but every song have a strong message that minyanko be a bit but green and a fa bibia.
That's a new message there.
Yeah.
But all the bad vibe we and son wash that nasi. Etium sem.
You drop your do be agina. Sure, this song was huge, eh?
Then you better than huge, money better than huge.
I know, but I'm going to go was huge. No darling, a meteor going to be. No darling meteor going to be no sokode, any pressure. Body lotion. After going to go sooner, Marco studio like he did grow. Guy the beats, Lazio beats. I'm saying, hey, call the slow motion. I was just playing, like body lotion. Call the slow motion. And that's it.
They say, you watch it and tenacity. Say, obis what tenacity when your lyrics. But the bare 2 weeks.
That's when you are gifted and you were born to do this. That's why I love God so much and I respect and I love him. I adore him so much. God Almighty. I don't joke with my spiritual life when it comes to the creator for creation. I don't know how we're doing it for 13 years and we are still here like we came yesterday, holding the mantle of the group of the year. Now, I was talking to Abraham Ohinijan, one of the legends in the industry who has been here for more than 3 decades, 30 years in the industry. I said, Charlie, Keche will hate too much. He doesn't know how we do it. Even myself, you're studio. Mani Andrew, you're so insane. Then we pray, God, you gave us this. You're in the studio to make masterpiece. Let your will be done. That's it. You drop it. You drop it. Bravo. That for man can die. Where's it? Big hit. You drop it. No one knows tomorrow in Tisa. Big hit. Where the party? Big hit. I don't even know how we do it. Even I'm saying alone, we'll do this and we go. But that has also taught me a lot that if you give your creator the chance to lead you in every role, you become successful. So that's it. And you say, metro, you gidi. And you might me and what you're anchi. Yeah, and you might take your time. Ask everybody in the industry. And you might bet snazzy pie take like 4 months. I try and make it no way and you come up producer we no nya. Patapa used just like 1 hour to do better day. And it was like the most talked about in the globe. So I believe so when you have the talent and you are here to do it, why not? You don't need to write too much, it will blow.
Let's all give time. On shut down and sebi and waste time.
Dabi. God will put you there because God gave it to you. You need to honor him first. Seek ye the kingdom of God first and all things shall be added. It's very, very important. It's a right key. That's it.
Don't want to say that I may be a dear. That's it. The kind.
That's it. They will but you stand tall. I have a lot of things that when some of the back two online better than the news. So people blowing their horns, say, we got this, we have this, we have them. I just laugh. I came here as a simple person. But there are just one thing I can post on. Like, people won't even believe this thing is mine. But where are we going? Even I was talking to Christina Chu back and forth like a brother because me donate when the orphanage was in Ebreku. So it became close friends. And look at all this. So this world that we are, you need to understand something. God doesn't care. Say you are the most powerful. He doesn't see you. You'll be nobody. I hate people like that. Because you are nobody. There is different say me Jimmy Hudia and say mami hu so and you different. Obi see Cristiano Ronaldo or homa so but he's not. He's very humble. But self-belief is different.
What's Canada?
Oh David. Say you're sharing the stories near
you see differently.
Shatta is one of them.
But he's not like
he's
that.
The best. He's the best, like one of the best people in the industry. And yes, I'm close to him. Shatta is like, he's something else. Very, very humble. Too humble.
And
he's aggressive.
But yes, I don't think.
Dabi. He's one person you can trust.
It's your life.
Because I've gone close to him, my Beno, and I know the kind of person he is. That's why everywhere I go, I big ups Wale, because my Beno seen others now. My Stombo is very cool. My name Sakodi is very cool. My name Medical is very cool. But my Ben Wale more, and I know say, hey, it's never what you think. He's a different breed. So, no doubt, say like he also sees the good thing we're doing. He always big ups Keche. Yeah. I shock you,
but because it's already there. He's always in the news. He's always on social media. Say, Asimbiye, he has to say something. He has to do something.
He's real. He doesn't hide anything.
Said was it
yeah.
Said those guys are real no. So not saying so in real life. Because I said the social media, he says what he sees.
That's it.
Felicia,
and some I say, no, me, I did some search about you. Me, I won't just wake up and come in. No, because as you know, I'm a brand, a big brand, and you're also a brand. So I need to understand you before. Maybe I won't say, you have some free mind. You're free mind. Tell me where I start dancing. So you'll be I say, you're reserved. Can we do an all right? You need to understand the person, the kind of person he is. And when you are real, people see you to be forget. As a Ghana, you're truthful. Because No, but Wale is not like that. No, like just he could tell you so but the next day be cool to say Beyonce. And me, I love people like that. Be real. Let people hate you for being real, and the results will prove who is the best.
But me when you say you should use a different strategy.
Like conscious about it?
Yes, a little. Because me the only me who can't say if I say my idea over catch now did matamana can be I can't no.
It depending on how
any day.
Obi Jimmy, I can say what Jimmy. Simple. Don't fake.
Obi Jimmy
Sebi, what Jimmy crowd. No, it doesn't make sense.
It makes sense.
Go straight. You feel like that.
There are a lot of words you can use to replace what Jimmy.
But into what Jimmy is wrong. The word is wrong.
It's big.
It's big.
It's big.
Then it's good. Some people need to get hit hard and change. I'm telling you the truth. Yeah, some people just hit them hard and it will change. Office obi ko wia banchi ne brody office say yentumi nka say o banchi ne body enti me memba no nkoje o. But do you know why? Maybe after omujana after banchi no obeko cow. Nti me twa so kakra for you to learn from the banchi. Until a hard hit on that small thing you did and you change. So if someone deserves to be insulted that hard, give it to the person after calling you, I did because I want you to change, and that's it. Take note from this, it will help.
Me moment there.
Okay, you're about understand. And I want you to the street, you know, so to me just so true, say, bro, thank you for the slap. I feel them. Yeah, street is a different, no. A different.
Well, then I say, so about assume.
Share.
As why you're conscious of yourself.
Oh, the Bible can say, if you say, whatever is yours will come to you. Let me catch a guy who say, and you phone a circle down.
It will never come to you.
Streets is a lot of things are different, you know. So you need to understand some phases of life and move. You feel me? So that's it. That's it.
Yeah, phone a circle. A phrase in the best somehow.
What is yours will come to you, no. So the best.
It doesn't work like that.
No, it doesn't work like that. Share now. Who nam circle now? Hook the phone. And if Shima, I will say it's mine. Will come to me. That phrase will change in circle. But on that side, it's cool. It's been a lovely conversation. Thank you so much. Lovely, expensive conversation. No. Expensive. Yeah, thank you. Oh yes. Let me end by saying your new song where something must happen. It's a strong song for the youths. Yeah. It's a people call it a prophetic kind of song. Something must happen. Believe in yourself. When you listen to a song, don't just party with a song. Listen to the message and inspire yourself. The video is out. We spent a lot of money in the video. We spent close to 100,000 Ghana cedis in the video because we wanted to come out that strong. Go stream the video or the guitar platform. Follow Keche Global. You already know the skill team. That's it. Yamisha. Amen. You're welcome. But your final words, no. My final words are Yamisha, Onua FM, Yamisha, Obibia, my team. They always with me. Maji. Forget to be here, sport day. Philly, we'll talk back door. Yamisha, baby. Andrew, so speedy recovery. Oh, he's good. Yamisha.